Hi, it's Tony with the Tony Z Team. I'm here with my dog Star. We're at 18629 56B Avenue here in the heart of Cloverdale. This is a very unique custom-made home. It features a large master on the main floor, 2 bedrooms up, and get this, it has a 1-bedroom side suite. So it has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, nicely updated throughout. Let's go take a look.